In this Pixlr Snippets tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the Eraser tool within Pixlr X. The Eraser tool can be located within the Draw icon in your tool panel. Once selected, you are presented with three sliders. You can increase or decrease the size of the eraser brush with the size slider, sharpen or feather the edge with the softness slider, and increase or decrease the opacity with the transparency slider. Adjust these settings as required. To use this tool, simply click, hold down, and move your mouse over the area to be erased. Remember, when working with more than one layer, erasing from one layer will always reveal what's in the layer underneath. And now that you know how to use the Eraser tool, have fun creating with Pixlr X.